Hi friends, खुलुमबाय नोंथांमोनखौ गासैखौबो आरोबाव फिन खेबसे आंनि चेनेलाव गोसो गोरबोजों बरायनाय बावनाय थाबाय। लोगोफोर थुदो बिदिब्ला भिडिअखौ जागायनोसै। उदांनिफ्राय गिदिंफिननानै बिजाबनि थाखाय सोर साहित्य एकाडेमि बान्था मोनदोंमोन? फिननाय: उरखावगोरा ब्रह्म। उरखावगोरा ब्रह्म। दुलाराय ब्रह्म धोरोम आफादनि 42थि बोसोरसालिया जथुम्माया बहा जायामोन? रौता सारियालिनि उदालगुरि डिस्ट्रिक्टआव। आलायारन सावथुना माब्ला ओंखारदोंमोन? फिननाय: 1986 मायथाइयाव। 1986 मायथाइयाव। मदाराम ब्रह्मआ बेसेबां मायथाइयाव जोनोम जायामोन? मदाराम ब्रह्मआ बेसेबां मायथाइयाव जोनोम जायामोन? फिननाय: 1903 मायथाइयाव। 1903 मायथाइयाव। बिबार लाइसिनि सुजुगिरिया सोरमोन? बिबार लाइसिनि सुजुगिरिया सोरमोन? फिननाय: सतीश चन्द्र बसुमतारी। सतीश चन्द्र बसुमतारी। बर'नि गिबिसिन ओंखारनाय सावथुननि मुङा मा? बर'नि गिबिसिन ओंखारनाय सावथुननि मुङा मा? फिननाय: दायना। 1984 मायथाइयाव। दायना। 1984 मायथाइयाव। The first editor of the Brahma, the mouthpiece of Sadou Brahma Dharma Parichalana Samity was Dr. Ajit Bodo. Dr. Ajit Bodo. The Kachari was written by Sidney Endel in 1911. 1911. गावनि मुलुग आरो हारिखौ हमथानोब्ला हौवा हिन्जाव गासैबो नांनांगौ। Who said this? Answer: गाम्बारि सिख्ला। गाम्बारि सिख्ला। Who is the first IPS among the Bodos? Who is the first IPS among the Bodos? रन्जित शेखर मुसाहारि। रन्जित शेखर मुसाहारि। Name of the first Bodo language magazine. Name of the first Bodo language magazine. Answer: बिबार। 1924 मायथाइयाव। बिबार। 1924 मायथाइयाव। Bodoland University was established in the year 2009. 2009. Name the first advocate among the Bodos. Name the first advocate among the Bodos. Answer: Rupnath Brahma. Rupnath Brahma. Name the first video among the Bodos? Name the first video among the Bodos. Answer: Modaram Brahma. Modaram Brahma. Who of the Bodos became the first MP? Who of the Bodos became the first MP? Sitanath Brahma Chaudhuri. Sitanath Brahma Chaudhuri. Who is the first MLA among the Bodos? Answer: Rupnath Brahma. Rupnath Brahma. Name of the first woman MLA among the Bodos. Name of the first woman MLA among the Bodos. Rekharani Das Boro. Who was nominated as the first Chief of BTC? Who was nominated as the first Chief of BTC? Mr. Hagrama Mohilari. Hagrama Mohilari. Who was the savior of the Bodo Society? Who was the savior of the Bodo Society? Answer: Kalisaran Brahma. Kalisaran Brahma. Upendranath Brahma माबे मायथायाव रुंसारि जादोंमोन? उपेन्द्रनाथ ब्रह्मआ माबे मायथायाव रुंसारि जादोंमोन? 1 May 1990. 1 May 1990. Who founded the National Democratic Front of Bodoland? Answer: Ranjan Deimari. Ranjan Deimari. Who is known as the Master of Bodo Limerick? Who is known as the Master of Bodo Limerick? Answer: Nondeswar Boro. Nondeswar Boro. Who is the first DID winner from Bodos? Who is the first DID winner from Bodos? Pronita Soryari. Pronita Soryari. What was the last capital of Kachari Kingdom? What was the last capital of Kachari Kingdom? Khaspur. Khaspur. What was the ancient name of Cachar? What was the ancient name of Cachar? Hirimba. Answer: Hirimba. Which capital is known as Hirimbapur? Which capital is known as Hirimbapur? Answer: Dimapur. Dimapur. Who was the mother of King Ghatotkacha? Who was the mother of King Ghatotkacha? Hirimba. Hirimba. Who was the last king of Kachari Kingdom? Who was the last king of Kachari Kingdom? Raja Irakdao, 1813 to 1850. Bodo Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? Bodo Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? Answer: 14 November 1952 मायथाइ 14 November 1952. Who is the first Bodo Sahitya Akademi Award winner? Answer. Dr. Mongol Singh Hajwari. Dr. Mongol Singh Hajwari. Who is the second winner of Sangeet Natak Akademi Award from Bodo community? Khirot Khaklari. Khirot Khaklari. Who is the first Bodo to win Padmashri? Who is the first Bodo to win Padmashri? Answer. Modaram Brahma. Modaram Brahma. Who was the first person from the Bodo community to play national sub-junior football in 1975? Gauri Shankar Islari. Gauri Shankar Islari.